You know, when it comes to fitness, there's this magical little tool that often gets overlooked, the abdominal roller. It's simple, it's effective, and it can transform your core workout routine. Let's dive into 10 exercises that can help you reduce fat and firm up those muscles quickly. First up, the classic rollout. Kneel on the floor, grip the handles, and roll forward, keeping your back straight. Feel that stretch? That's your core waking up. Pull yourself back to the starting position and repeat. It's a killer move that engages your entire abdominal wall. Next, let's spice things up with the knee tuck. Start in the rollout position, but this time, as you roll out, tuck your knees toward your chest. It's like a mini crunch while you're rolling, and it really targets those lower abs. You'll feel the burn, but that's a good sign. It means you're working hard. Now, how about the side roll? Instead of rolling straight out, angle the roller to one side. This targets your obliques, the muscles that give you that coveted V-shape. Alternate sides to ensure balanced development. You'll be surprised at how quickly you'll feel stronger. Let's not forget the plank rollout. Get into a plank position with the roller under your hands. Roll forward while maintaining that plank. It's a full-body workout that challenges your stability and engages your core like nothing else. For those looking for a challenge, try the one-arm rollout. It's exactly what it sounds like. Roll out with one arm while keeping the other arm tucked behind your back. This not only works your abs, but also tests your balance and strength. Now, let's incorporate some leg lifts. Roll out, and as you come back, lift your legs off the ground. This adds an extra layer of difficulty and really targets those lower abs. Then there's the pike roll. From a plank position, roll the roller towards your feet, lifting your hips towards the ceiling. It's a fantastic way to engage your entire core while also working on your flexibility. Don't overlook the reverse rollout. Instead of rolling forward, start in a seated position and roll back. It's a great way to engage your abs from a different angle. And finally, finish strong with the dynamic rollout. This is where you roll out and back in quickly, almost like a sprint for your abs. It's intense, but it's a surefire way to boost your heart rate and burn fat. So there you have it, 10 exercises with the abdominal roller that can help you reduce fat and firm those muscles quickly. It's all about consistency and pushing yourself. Embrace the burn, and soon enough, you'll see the results.